Basal metabolic rate and metabolism. How to increase your basal metabolic rate. In case you didn't already know, there is a difference between metabolism and basal metabolic rate. Metabolism is how we convert food and drink into energy, and the faster there is movement from the body, the faster it will burn calories. Basal metabolic rate, or BMR, is how many calories are burned during rest, such as through breathing, cell production, processing of nutrients, and circulation. BMR is a function that is carried out under much slower circumstances as the body is in a resting state. The fuel required to do this is derived from our food intake, but since it burns calories in areas we don't normally think about, it is easy to take it for granted. However, BMR accounts for approximately 60% of our daily energy output. Another instance of BMR occurring in our daily lives is after a workout. Resting calories are still burning quietly and adding to those calories already burned from your exercise. Nowadays, maybe daily exercise isn't for you, and as we get older and our lives develop, it definitely falls by the wayside. Unfortunately, as we get older, losing weight becomes more challenging. We have to watch what we eat more closely, and our BMR begins to slow down by 5% every 10 years after 40. Dieting too severely by cutting calories will create a semi-starvation effect, lowering your metabolic rate, and therefore making it much harder to lose weight. Those who choose that option will most likely experience whole body system issues, gaining back any weight previously lost, and will face extreme difficulty in the future to lose weight and keep it off. But don't worry, there is a solution. Maintaining a daily calorie-controlled diet, 1,800 calories for men and 1,200 for women, is the best way to prevent those aforementioned issues from happening. This daily calorie-controlled diet should be filled with protein, good fats, fish, vegetables, nuts, etc., and not too many carbohydrates. Another solution is improving and increasing your current calorie-burning activities. Walking, swimming, running, Zumba, any other form of cardio, and even joining a HIIT, high-intensity interval training program, which includes short bursts of high-intensity exercise. A little tip to increase success with exercising is to try and complete your workout in the morning. This will have you burning calories your body already has stored before putting more in. How to increase your metabolism after 40. Women over 40 can find it increasingly difficult to keep control of those extra pounds, especially at the menopausal stage, wondering where that extra tire of fat around the midriff came from. Some women may even find themselves storing more fat than usual. In order to help combat this, women over 40 need to look at an overhaul of their eating habits and workouts. Muscle mass is one area within the body that will use calories to burn. But after menopause, that all changes, as the levels of hormones are reduced. Therefore, not as much muscle is being developed. At least 1 pound of muscle is lost each year after 40. Ensuring daily exercise and weight training are especially important to build up muscle at this age. Good calories found in proteins, less alcoholic beverages. A startling number of calories are found here. Drink less sugary drinks. Make sure to get a good night's sleep. Don't skip breakfast. And do remember that you don't necessarily need an intake of 1,200 calories per day, as 900 would be quite sufficient. How to increase metabolism with supplements. In order to counteract these changes that can happen to a woman after 40, or any age for that matter, it is important to understand the natural hormone within us, leptin. As long as you remember that a high level of leptin occurring naturally is a sign of a full appetite, and that lower leptin levels resulting in you eating more, therefore gaining unwanted weight. Simply put, this is your metabolism at work. The fat you have stored in your body cannot be broken down with low levels of leptin, so now you have a slower metabolism. Leptin levels need to rise, which will create a higher metabolism, resulting in weight loss. If controlling your leptin levels are difficult and you are unsure where to start, you can turn to Leptitox. Leptitox is a rigorously tested supplement that is not harmful or damaging to your body. This will reduce body fat by increasing your metabolic rate, effectively burning fat and calories. When used correctly, you can expect to lose approximately 5 pounds per week and approximately 10 to 12 pounds after 3 to 4 weeks with continued use. Thousands of women recommend it. It is safe, available over the counter, and has no side effects. Click the link below to see how Leptitox is able to activate a simple 5-second hack within your body that turns your metabolism into a natural fat-burning furnace.